Welcome to AB's Tech Lab. Today we are going to know about immutable objects in Java.
Immutable object means, once an object is created, we cannot change its content. In Java, string and all the wrapper classes, like integer, boolean, byte, short, are immutable. We can create our own immutable class as well. Immutable objects are thread-safe. This helps in resolving issues during synchronization. In scenarios like application credentials, network parameters, we may need to make objects immutable, depending on our business needs. Also, they play the role of good key for hashmap. Creating a custom, immutable class. Class. Declare the class final. This will ensure that class cannot be extended. Instance variables. Keep instance variables private, so that they cannot be accessed directly from outside of the class. Make the instance variables final, so that their value cannot be changed once initialized. Constructor. Initialize all the instance variables in the parameterized constructor, and deep clone mutable objects before assigning value to the instance variables. This will ensure that none of the instance variables are modified via an object reference. Getter and setters. Remove all setter methods. By removing setters, we are blocking the way to modify the state of an object. In getter methods, deep copy the object, and return the copy instead of an actual object reference. This way we can avoid further modifications using object reference. Let's summarize steps to create the immutable class. Declare the class final. Keep instance variables private. Make the instance variables final. Initialize all instance variables in parameterized constructor. Deep clone mutable objects before assigning value to instance variables. Remove all setter methods. In getter methods, deep copy the object, and return the copy instead of an actual object reference.
Why immutable objects are thread-safe?
Immutable classes are thread-safe, because you cannot change the state of immutable objects. So even if two threads access an immutable object in parallel, it won't create any issue.
Why immutable objects are considered to be good keys for hashmap?
In case of mutable object, hashcode may be dependent on mutable fields. If any value for these fields changes, it might change hashcode, so you might not able to find your key in hashmap, as hashcode is different now. Since the state of immutable objects cannot be changed, their hashcode won't change either. Thus, immutable objects are considered as good keys for hashmap.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with AB's Tech Lab for more. Let me know your feedback and questions in the comments. See you in the next video.